Hi guys, so today I'm gonna teach you on how you can add menu options for your restaurant. Alright, so of course you need to log into Mucho Taste account or to your Mucho Taste account and click manage. And on the left side corner, you can see this image here with a spoon and fork. So click that, that's the menus. And in this page, you can choose whether you wanted to create a new menu. All right, so just click that. And for example, we wanted to add um, lunch. Okay, just lunch. And okay, so there you go. This menu option here, um, the function of this one is you cannot actually add a category or you can't add an item if you don't have a or if you don't add a menu option first. For example, for this one, okay, let's put it this way. You have a bag, and in your bag, you have a wallet, and in your wallet, you have a money in it. So it's just like this one. This first menu option here, it's this is the menu option. This is your bag, and this second option here, this is the category. This is your wallet, and the next is your money or the items. So basically, you cannot add a category, you cannot add an item if you don't create a menu option first. So yeah, you need to add a menu option first for you to be able to add a category and an item, of course. Yeah, so and if you also would like to remove this this menu option here, you just need to click this like a trash bin option, this one on the middle. So just click that and delete, then it should remove the menu option. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it on how you can add a menu option for the website or for your website.